Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the screensaver on your Fire TV or Firestick. So go over to the right and go to Settings right here, and we want to go to Display and Sound. Once we're under here, and go on down to where it says Screensaver. And then we have a couple different options. We have the current screensaver, which is the Amazon collection. You can go to Daily Memories. Your photos, if you have something uploaded to your Amazon account. For some reason I do, and you can see me in the background, but we got all these different options for the pan and zoom, the slide speed, and we can go very fast and go to the next one. And if you want to completely turn this off, just go to the start time and go to never, and then you're never going to see your screensaver on your TV. It might be nice to have on just so your image isn't in one place the entire time. And then you can go to shuffle and go through all these as well in Smart Capture. And then we got date and time, etc. So you can just go through here, turn it off, go to a different background. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.